Well, it's basically a blizzard today. I've got to run to the farm to fix a heating element on a tank. So we're going to bring the square body because I got the generator welder in that other truck. Well, we're plowing through quite a bit of snow. This truck, I got four-wheel high engaged, and I got the locker in rear, so should be good. We gotta get gas and then head out to the farm. The road's probably going to be a little slick, so we'll just have to drive slow and careful, but should be able to do it. This truck is hardy, so keep you updated. Well, we're behind the snow plow, so I shouldn't have to plow through any drifts, which is nice, but also not quite as fun. But yeah, the roads definitely aren't amazing. I can see how they drift up pretty quick, so we'll just keep following this snow plow and try and stay in second gear if we can. Just get to the farm. Once we get to the gravel road, I'll probably start recording again because probably have some unplowed snow to go through, so try and get to this water tank and fix it. It's supposed to, today is kind of the last day where it's supposed to be warm. Tomorrow is, or tonight is supposed to get down to 10, and then by Sunday the low is like -1. So I just want to make sure these water tanks, the heating elements are working, otherwise they freeze up and it's a big pain in the ass. See what we can do. I got all my stuff. I did not bring a flashlight, so hopefully it doesn't get dark on me, but my dad's got a flashlight obviously. So. Alright. Well, we're getting close. It definitely is, feels way more gusty out this way with the wind. The road is definitely in crappy shape, but I haven't had any problems. I'm going nice and slow. So we'll get up to the turn here, turn and see if it's spicy or not. Hey, we're officially on the gravel. So far so good. Usually up by these trees it really drifts bad, and that's where it gets the most drifted, so keep you on the video until we get through that at least. They don't look too bad. Rough. No, this is fine. Usually right here. Yeah, I guess there is some snow. Builds up a bit. We're doing some excavation work yesterday. There was no snow yesterday, and it was pretty nice out. 40 degrees, I think. Boy, it changes in a hurry. I don't know if you can see tires at all. Tell what that is. Is that deer? There's something running out there. Must be a deer. It was complete white out earlier. Around noon, you couldn't see anything outside. So it's definitely let up quite a bit since then, which is good. I think on Friday we're supposed to get more snow. So I might not be doing my Black Friday shopping in town. I might be ordering stuff online. It's a little harder to see up here. I should have put my magnetic mount, set that up, so I didn't have to hold this. But we're good so far. flashlight, I think, so I'll be back. Okay, we got, I think, everything I need. I'll get you hooked up to my little stand here. I don't know how GoPros do in the cold. It's gonna be hard for me to manipulate stuff with my gloves on, but I'll try. Okay, I got the 1/2 inch wrench, we got that. I'm gonna leave this running, keep it heated. Oop. Yeah, look at that. We busted through all that up there. Yeah, that's pretty deep. Okay. Ooh. Oh, that looks cool though. Okay. I don't know if you can see anything. You need that 1/2 inch. Really? There. Okay. This is what we're working with. See, that just corroded right off, broke off in the plug. The outlet. Yep, corroded. I'll just stick my probes in there and make sure, for sure, we get no power. Okay, well. Now we do not want that to drop down the hole. Okay, I'm pretty confident this is dead. Okay, good. Hopefully that thermostat works. Okay, I need my knife. Boy, that is hard. Knife is plenty dull too. There. Must have been cutting into the cutting that way. It's hard. Come off. Come on here. There. Now, let's try this. Let's gauge this is first. Not very clean copper. Orange is better. Okay. I hope these heating elements are all good. black, green to earth, neutral to neutral. Should be good. Oh, I had two in my hand. This is just a temporary fix to get us through this semi-blizzard. So get a chance to go to town and get some better, get a new outlet box and a waterproof box and a new plug and all that stuff. This should get us by for now. Well, it's heating, so I think my job is done. See if these guys need help with anything else, and then see what we'll do. Go home right away before it gets dark. I checked it. Seems like the heat's working, so I'll have to get a GFCI plug wired in once I get a chance. But yeah, see if I can set this up. Thought we were going to slide in that gate for a minute. Four-wheel low got us through there though. Look at that. That's pretty deep. I've got Toyo Open Country 3s on this, which I don't know if are a good snow tire or not, but it's the best I have right now. So look at that beauty. Golly, they look good in snow, don't they? Just awesome. Still have this up here. Let's go into second gear. Forgot about this drift up here. Woo! Yay! We got it. Windshield got a little snowed up. Come on, wipers. I need new wiper blades. Hi, we're on the highway again. Maybe I'll shift. I'm in four-wheel drive, so I don't want to go too fast. As long as we aren't flying, we should be okay. I think we'll beat dark. It might get dark on us right as we get to town, but we should be okay. This has got full lights, and I got a light bar on front too. Kind of see it, so that helps quite a bit, actually. there's a broom in here to clean this all up. It's really not too bad, actually. Probably most up here. Oh, yeah, look at all that snow. Well, granted, those are covered in snow, but my TV joints aren't hot. Let's get as much of this out of here as we can. I'm sure most of this will melt off here. But we'll just encourage it to melt. That was fun. That was fun. Look at that snow that's packed in the rims there, kind of clears up. It's supposed to get cold tonight, so hopefully most of this melts before it freezes. That works really good. Well, everything appears to be good. I might just leave those locked in. Take a look at the engine. Everything looks good. I wonder where that water comes from. Keeps pretty dry in here. Nothing's hot. I'm gonna call that a video. Thanks for watching.